Easy and delicious chicken, French beans and potato stir fry for the busy cook. Hello and welcome. I have a quick and easy recipe for you today. It is chicken, French beans and potato stir fry, and this recipe is suitable for busy cooks. For this I have 100 grams of chicken cut into small pieces. I am now going to marinate the chicken with half a teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon of Chinese wine. This is optional, you can leave it out, and 1 teaspoon of cornflour, also known as cornstarch. Let's mix the ingredients together now. When done, we can set it aside for later use. Next, I have 1 medium-sized potato and 1 smallish potato that I am going to dice. "15 French beans." Cut the French beans into pieces that are similar to the pieces of potato. This is purely cosmetic. When you're done, remove the French beans from the chopping board and keep them aside for later use. You also need 3 cloves of garlic to flavor the dish. Crush the garlic and then chop them up into bits. Next come 2 red bird's eye chillies that you cut into small pieces. Let's now make the stir fry sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. All mixed together with 1 tablespoon of water. Pour 500 ml of water into a wok and turn the stove on high. You then let the water come to a boil. When the water has come to a rolling boil, add half a teaspoon of salt and continue to boil the water. We next add the French beans to the boiling water to scald them. This way we won't have to stir fry the beans for too long, thereby retaining the color of the French beans as much as possible. Turn the stove off after 1.5 minutes, remove the French beans and keep them aside. You next pour 4 tablespoons of oil into a heated wok after throwing the water away. Keep the flame at a moderate heat and add half the potato cubes and fry them until they are nearly done. This will take about 1.5 minutes. Remove the potato cubes after 1.5 minutes. Put the second batch of potatoes in and fry the potato cubes the same way. Remove the potato cubes when they are nearly done. Here are the golden fried potato cubes. Remove the oil, leaving 2 tablespoons behind in the wok. Now add the marinated chicken pieces and saute for 2 minutes. The flame is at medium. You then add the garlic and the red bird's eye chilli and continue to saute for another minute. Return the fried potatoes to the wok and stir fry all the ingredients together. Now don't worry that the ingredients have become stuck to the pan. What you see here is not burnt stuff, but the reduction of the taste of the ingredients. This seemingly burnt stuff is called flavoured in culinary science. I'm now adding 100 ml of water to deglaze the wok. As you can see, the wok is being deglazed and all the taste that is trapped at the bottom of the wok is now removed and added to the ingredients, thereby enhancing the taste. The potatoes would be cooked after 2 minutes, and at this time you add the stir-fry sauce to the potatoes and chicken pieces. You then stir well to combine. See how well deglazed the wok is? All the flavor has now been added to the ingredients. Taste and add salt if required. Add the scalded green beans last. We add the French beans last so as not to lose their color. That's it, 1 minute and we are done. Turn off the stove and remove the dish from the fire. Chicken, French beans and potato stir-fry. This is a delicious Chinese stir-fry side dish that is suitable for busy cooks. Thank you for watching. Until I see you again with another recipe, stay safe. Bye.